Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to install Disney Plus on your LG Smart TV. Follow along carefully, and you'll be streaming your favorite Disney, Marvel, Pixar, and Star Wars content in no time. Step 1. Turn on your LG Smart TV. Grab your remote and power on your LG Smart TV. Make sure it's connected to a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Go to the home screen. Press the home button on your LG remote to open the main menu. You'll see various app icons and the LG Content Store among the options. Step 3. Open the LG Content Store. Using the navigation buttons on your remote, scroll to and select LG Content Store. This is where you can find and download apps for your smart TV. Step 4. Search for Disney Plus. In the LG Content Store, go to the search function, usually represented by a magnifying glass icon. Type in Disney Plus using the on-screen keyboard and press Enter. Step 5. Install the Disney Plus app. When you find the Disney Plus app, select it and choose Install. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your TV. Step 6. Open Disney Plus. After installation, you'll see the Launch button. Click it to open Disney Plus. You can also find it later on your home screen or in your list of installed apps. Step 7. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Disney Plus account, select Login and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, visit disneyplus.com on your phone or computer to sign up, then return to your TV to log in. Step 8. Start watching. Once logged in, you'll have access to the full Disney Plus library. Browse through the categories, select a title, and start streaming your favorite content right away. That's it. You've successfully installed Disney Plus on your LG Smart TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.